Hi everyone! We use social media every single day to chat, watch videos, and share our lives. But have you ever to think, is it actually helping us or hurting us? Today, we're exploring the double-edged sword of the digital world. Let's dive in! First, let's talk about the positive edge. Social media is a bridge. It helps us build community and learn new things instantly. Here are two real-life examples of social media being used for good. Charity drives. Remember when people raise millions for victims of typhoon or the pandemic, one viral post can literally save lives by bringing people help to those in need. Learning groups. From StudyTube to Facebook groups for student coders, social media is the biggest free classroom in the world. But every sword has a sharp side that can hurt us. This is the negative edge. Think about the highlight reel effect. We see everyone's perfect photos and we feel FOMO, the fear of missing out. It makes us anxious because we compare our normal life to their perfect one. Then, there's your digital footprint. Everything you post stays online forever. A mean comment or a bad photo today could stop you from getting a job in the future. And don't forget the validation trap. We shouldn't let the number of likes tell us how much we are worth. So, how do we stay safe? So, here is my digital wellness toolkit with 5 quick tips. Set time limits. Limit your scrolling to 30 minutes or an hour a day. Unfollow toxic accounts. If an account makes you feel sad or insecure, hit unfollow. No phones at bedtime. Give your brain a break before you sleep. Turn off notification. Stop the constant buzzing so you can focus. Be present. Put the phone down when you're hanging out with real-life friends. And always remember to think before you post. Is it true? Is it helpful? Is it inspiring? Is it necessary? Or is it kind? Social media is a great tool, but only if you use it in the right way. So don't let the sword cut you. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time!